Well, this morning for Father's Day, I made a blueberry buckle. I would have showed you how I put it together, but I am a awful messy cook. So it would have been a disaster movie of an hour long probably. So we're going to go ahead and put it in a 350 degree oven. For 45 minutes. And we'll see. It's fresh blueberries and I'm not very good at this, guys. This whole video thing, but there you go. Blueberry buckle in the oven. I will show you the finished product when it comes out. Timer. 45 minutes. Countdown begins. Like and subscribe.